Hi guys, it's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another amazing video as I'm about to do. I know guys, whenever I'm sitting in this chair, you know that I'm in my trading setup, and you know that I'll be giving you much more knowledge. Before we go further, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and share with your friends and families. Make sure that this video goes to most people who need it. And also, if you'd like to use the broker that I'm using, click the link below. And also, if you'd like to learn directly from me, click the link below for our website and join the Forex Heroes course. Let's come to the charts. Welcome to the charts, guys. As you know, I know many people like seeing me on the chart and giving you much more knowledge, but we must not forget that we also have to give some sort of psychological information and risk management to be able to assist you guys. So let's dive deeper into it. I'm just gonna clear this chart. Now we are looking at the NASDAQ. I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible so that you guys are able to finish it, because I've realized that whenever I keep the videos long, you guys fail to look at it. I know you guys are busy, but this is the great information that you also need to become a profitable trader. And also, if you're not a trader, you can enroll for trading and become one of the best traders. So let's look at this. I'm looking at NASDAQ. We looked at much more information looking at the previous data. You can say we had this move from NFP the previous week. So I'm looking at having something similar. So I can see already we have some sort of a break to this, but you must always remember what I said. Whenever you see a break, there must be some sort of if it's a break, you must have a retest, and we know that we have a much more bigger move to the upside, so a reversal pattern. So I'm just gonna now draw my lines. My highest lines is this one, and then my lowest point will be this one. So voila. Okay, so you remove this, then I'm just further gonna go draw the lines. Okay, this one as well, because you can see at this point we also pushed down. So just gonna draw this. If you are unable to draw this, you can further go to 4 hours, because with practice I managed to be able to understand the peaks from each and every point. So now we'll be looking at the zones. Take this zone, get this zone. This zone also represents the support, because you can see it broke and came back, retest, further broke to the downside. And also you can take this point as well here. Let's see, and we can look at another. Yeah, you see. Okay, so looking at this, should we see a further improvement? We're looking at this point coming here. So okay, let's go to 1 hour. Also remember guys, you need to understand that risk management plays a very vital role in your trades. Okay, so now we are looking at this. We had a great sell one here, and have this point here. Okay, then we also have something similar of having a trend inside the trend instead. So you can see we are having some sort of this. Okay, now I'll go to my 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Looking at this, we are having a much more move showing a resistance zone. So you remember this one comes from a higher time frame. So for this purpose, idiot. But now we have this type of situation here. We have this situation. And we have another one here. Let's take. Okay. You see what we are currently having. A resistant pool. We look at this coming to the downside. You understand? You can see we came from the top, we pushed with the NFP, then we retested, then we pushed further down. So I want to show you guys something. Look at this. You see this line acts as a break. You see, we broke here and we went further. We tested this line, so now we are here. But wait for the market to give you confirmation. If we were to break to the upside, this is what will happen. We need to break and retest. So wait for a retest. You can buy at a retest, and then for this one you just have to look how it develops further, because I see we might be having some sort of a reversal pattern, because also this might happen. This pattern might happen. So wait a bit before taking a trade. Okay, let's go to gold. Wow, we had a very nice information here. Okay, I'm gonna start with weekly. As you know, trade. We start from our highest point. We click this, and the lowest point here will be taking this. Okay, so you can see here already we have double tops. Okay, and I'm on daily, and then I'm gonna draw my lines further. So this one here will have this significant area. Okay, for our already I can see where my analysis is taking me. This one, yeah. 15 minutes. Yeah. this. You must always be aware pattern within a pattern, which is a trend inside another trend. Look, impulse, correction, impulse, this will be a correction, giving us a, you see. So this is very much important. So let's look at what's happening here. Go much deeper. Okay. Oops. Yes. So you can see here we had a move coming from the top because we reached this zone here. It was a strong zone. It failed to push to the upside because many people expecting a further push to the upside. But if it broke here and then retest, we were gonna buy. So you see, you have to follow your rules, guys. So let's look at what we anticipating to happen here. We have a push to the downside, but you can see we are still in a uptrend, small uptrend, but then the overall move is what? A sell. You understand? Because we have these two representing a sell. So what do we need to do if we are to buy this? I'm expecting a move, push, then we'll buy here. It is not realistically safe to buy at this level, but we can take a trade with small lot sizes because then now we'll be putting it here, then taking it to the upside. But the most better situation will be buying above this zone here, because now we are below this zone. Because what could happen is this move. This could break, come back to retest, and go to the downside, which now should give us a sell position, a good sell position. So it's always advisable, guys. I always advise that you take your trades at a retest, because a retest proves to you that yes, indeed, we are pushing in that direction. It came to retest. So guys, I'm not gonna take much of your time. This hope you apply it in the coming week so that you can become profitable. And all the best, guys. To those that needs some clarity, you can also subscribe for more information on how I trade gold and NASDAQ. And also, guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and families.